in my place, we had an arts festival. A child who had never written a song before, but was so inspired by this view. It was set into music by a friend who was there. It was sent to the best musical arranger in the Philippines. It was sent back, all in less than 24 hours, and it was performed all in less than. That, my friends, is what happens when we unleash native genius of the human heart. And courtesy of Elena Clarissa, the Filipinos, please come up, are going to render the song. Have you ready? Okay. They're going. The lyrics is in Filipino. They will sing in 4 languages, 4 major languages of the Philippines. There. Thank you, Pia and Tumeda. Pia and Ariel Aurelio, please rise. They were As you know, I am a very tough man, but I have a very soft heart. There are two occasions when I listened to this. First, the original was sung by my daughter in the presence of the governors of the Visayan Sea as a surprise to me. Brought tears to my eyes. Today, this brings tears to my eyes, tears of joy, of unity.